Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk about the sum. So now I will show you how to simplify this one. So we need to focus on this one. So we know that number 1 that is about number 2 minus number 1. And now we need to distribute 1 factorial for number 2 and number 1. So we know that 1 factorial that is about number 1. So number 2 multiplied by number 1 that is about number 2 factorial. Now let's go to the next one. So number 2 that is about number 3 minus number 1. So number 2 factorial multiplied by number 3 and number 1. So number 3 multiplied by number 2 factorial that is about number 3 factorial in here. This one that is about number 2 factorial. So this one that is about number 1. Now if we repeat the process in here to this one, we can get like this. So this one cancel, this one cancel, this one cancel, this one cancel. So if we simplify this one, we just have like this. And that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.